All of you, welcome to my channel, A Ray of Success. Today we going to discussing about the basic concept of what is signal and what is system. First of all, we going to discussing about what is mean by a signal. Simply we can say anything which carry information we can call it as a signal. What do you mean by a signal? Anything which carry information we can call it as a signal. By definition, we can define any time varying physical quantity that carries some information can be called as a signal. What is meant by signal? Any time varying physical phenomenon that carries some information can be called a signal. Then what are the examples of signal? You can take video signals, also audio signals, also our ECG, electrocardiogram. Also we can take our current AC. If you consider AC, it will changing with respect to time, so we can call it as a signal. Also it have some information. If you consider these all signals, it will carry some information. If you consider audio signal, it will give some information. If you take a ECG, it will give some information. So these are called as a signal. If you consider DC signal, it doesn't vary with respect to time, so it is not considered as a signal. So it is not a signal. But AC is varying with respect to time, so it is a signal. Do you understand the concept of what is meant by a signal? Also we can define any physical quantity that varies with respect to time, we can call it as a signal. What is a signal? Any physical quantities that varies with time can be called as a signal. This is the basic concept of what is meant by a signal. Let us move to the next topic. What is meant by a system? System, simply we can define it is a device or a group of devices which perform operations on a signal. What is meant by a system? System is a device or a group of devices which perform operations on signal. So symbolically we can draw here. This is considered as a system. Okay. So here I am giving some input signal. So we will get some output signal with respect to this input. This output is also known as response of the system. This input is also known as excitation. So this system performs some operation based on this input, then it will give some responses. So this is called as a system. Then consider an example. You can take our communication system. If you consider a communication system, you can see number of transmitters and number of receivers. Will perform some operation, that is transmitting the signal, also receiving the signal. So it conveys some information between the transmitters and receivers. So we can call it as a system. So the best example of this system we can call it as a communication system. So these are the basic concept of signal and system. What is a signal? Signal, we can define any physical quantity that varies with respect to time can be called as a signal. Then what is meant by a system? A system which is a device or a group of devices which perform operation on signal. Thank you.